J'en ai connu plus que tu ne crois.
You got my boy Wayne Rooney.
This is a goal, man. I see it. Woo! That's another corner.
It didn't go in.
Nah. We got a favor on a camcorder. How's it going?
I'm just hungry. I just want to eat.
You just want to eat?
I even have an American football game. We're at a soccer game.
So I had the chance to see one of the FIFA Club World Cup games at the Audi field in DC. The RB Salzburg played Al-Hilal, which is a team from Saudi. This was also my first time in a while watching a soccer match at a stadium, and kind of felt electric, even though it was dry compared to some of the soccer matches I've seen in the past. But still, it's exciting to be in this environment again. That's it, man. That's game. Nobody scored. Can you believe that? Wow. That was fun. But we are now heading to King Street, Alexandria, to finish the night. It was nice. People out here were super chill. Looking for food in King Street, Alexandria. Everything is closed up. Crazy. You confused? We made it to ice cream shop in King Street. People are still hungry. Look at you, boiling, man. Keep it safe. Content creator. Hey, where's Congo?
If your mother wants you say something, if your mother wants you.
Yes, sir! What? It's too nice. I've been testing vlogging on a camcorder the past couple days, and I'm finding it very interesting. I wanted to add some unique aspect to my videos, and this seemed to do it. Also, I'm trying to get myself out of this perfectionist mentality where everything has to be of the best quality. You might be confused what the hell I'm doing right now, but I'm really trying to create space for another rack where I can put more coffee mugs. That's my boy, Wonder Boy right there. Trash. Trash. Look at this guy. Come on.
Hey, Mike for the burn, you niggas, bro. Ready?
Mike might actually be slow, man.
I'm surprised they haven't beat. Steady.
Who you got? I got Mike.
I got Mike. Go.
Oh shit.
Mike.
Oh, God damn.
You guys are slow.
Boy. Was a nice, successful day. All day. Got my nice one goal. Lots of cardio though. It was fun today. Wasn't too serious, nothing like that. One of the boys did some shit. I got him on 4K kind of control, but he cannot move no nothing. Should have just stayed on. Using the camcorder, I could care less about quality. I just want to capture the moment, and that's it. Which feels very nice, really, because, you know, now I can actually just rely on just creating instead of focusing on having the most perfect shot. And I think there's also something very unique with, you know, the shake on the camcorder, and also the sound just seemed very, very unique and, you know, vintage pretty much. This thing smells amazing. If you don't have a blue cologne, make sure you get you one because this thing is great. But yeah, what do you guys think about today's fit? Looking nice. Oh, I dressed terrible. Looking like a freaking highlighter, alright? But it looks good. Got me my nice sunglasses as well. This is too much. This is overkill. I'm running late actually because I'm supposed to be there before 3 p.m. What time is it right now, Alexa? What time is it?
The time is 1:50 p.m.
Oh, we got a little bit more time. How cozy is this place? Oh boy, this is why I love coming to IKEA. Like, you can easily spend the night in there without nobody finding out. Like, all you gotta do during the day, just be under the bed. Then at night when they're closing, you got a whole bedroom to yourself, a nice bed. Yeah, that's definitely something I should try one day. I guess somebody probably tried it already. I'm gonna look that up. But I actually do love the way IKEA be setting up this place. Hey, if you look at my apartment, like, yeah, some would say I steal a lot of ideas from here, but whenever I come here, like, I usually get some inspiration from here, like the way they set up and all that. It's very cool, very nice. Like that nice, slick, simple looks, but very, very aesthetically pleasing. But yeah, I'm about to go to sleep, so good night. Psych, man. I got more stuff to do today. Damage to this food, man, because I came here hungry, like really hungry. And by the way, if you haven't tried IKEA food yet, try it, man. Very good. Look at this. Delicious. It's too good. Well, you made it to the end of my issue series, and thanks for that. I'm trying to do more of these consistently moving forward. I think it's a great way for me to document my days and also share to anyone that might be interested, whether for entertainment purposes or even trying to look for things to do around DC, Maryland, and Virginia area. And I noticed I've been doing a lot, really, and you know, it's surprising, you know, even people that live around here sometimes amazed by, you know, how I do these things or even how I make time for them, right? And I am super grateful for just being able to explore and just having the time to do all these things, right? And quickly getting to realize a lot of people are not in that situation. It's funny because I met a girl that works at a Goodwill today, actually. She follows me on Instagram, and she mentioned that she really, you know, admired the way I live, and she thought I live a peaceful life. And I was telling her that, you know, I just feel like, you know, life is short, and you know, you just gotta prioritize things that you feel are important to you, right? Like make time for them. And I don't like, regrets at all. And I don't want to be at a point where I'm not able to, do these things anymore. And I'm just sitting there, full of regrets, of like the times that I actually can do it, but I chose not to do it. So that's why, I try to do the things that I want to do pretty much. So that should be a lesson for anyone, right? So if this the only takeaway you get from this vlog, I strongly would always recommend making times for things that are important to you. But anyway, thanks so much. Before I ramble for the next 15-20 minutes, because I really get passionate about this, right? So you can pretty much tell. Check out my other content. I do lots of I try to do lots of content like this, vlogs, DIY, travel, inspirational content. So yeah, check me out, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Alexa, good night.